In this guide, I'm going to explain how to print multiple PDF pages into a single sheet using Adobe Acrobat. So let's start with a PDF file that has several pages. Select the specific PDF file, right-click on it, and select Open With and select Adobe Acrobat. Once it is opened, our goal is to print these multiple pages into one physical page. This method works whether your document has many different pages or if you want to print the same page multiple times on one sheet. So follow the entire guide without skipping any steps. Once a PDF is opened, press the print in the top right corner of your screen. A menu will appear and you need to select your printer from the top. Once you've selected it, under Page Sizing and Handling, select Multiple. And here you can select the number of pages per sheet. It's usually set to custom. You can click on this drop-down menu and change it to 2 to see 2 pages per sheet or 4 for 4 pages per sheet and so on according to your preference. You can select the desired number of pages or choose custom for more options. And once you're ready, click on Print from the bottom right corner of this menu. Alternatively, if you want to print the same page multiple times on a sheet, you can go to the Pages section and type the page number that you want to repeat. Example 2222 to print page 2 4 times, and then click on Multiple again, and the preview will update, showing the repeated page. You can then adjust the pages per sheet as before and print. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.